Jai friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Captain Naresh, your friend. Friends, we have been promoting how to stay in motivation or happiness or success so that we lead a better lifestyle. Everyone wants to lead a better lifestyle, but the person does not know how to lead a better lifestyle. What we think by enjoying fruits of the materialistic world, we are having a better lifestyle. Some people believe that going to parties, enjoying late night, drinking, dancing is a part of happiness, and they are motivated for these attractions, and then what happens? They lose their health, wealth, and even reputation. So, friends, one has to know what exactly is happiness, what is motivation, and what is the lifestyle. To begin with, let's have a little small prayer for God Krishna. Vasudevam Sutam Devam Kansachanurmardanam Devaki Paramanandam Sri Krishna Vande Jagat Guru Sri Krishna Sharanam Gopal Sharanam Sri Krishna Sharanam Gopal Sharanam मेरे बाके बिहारी नंदलाल शरणम मेरे बाके बिहारी नंदलाल शरणम बोल भगवान श्री कृष्ण की जय श्री नंद के लाला की जय श्री देवी नंदन श्री कृष्ण की जय श्री द्वारकाधीश भगवान श्री कृष्ण की जय देवादिदेव पूर्ण ब्रह्म भगवान श्री कृष्ण की सदा ही जय. Jai Shri Krishna friends, good day. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, we have been discussing for the motivation for success. But generally what happens? Instead of getting motivation for happiness, success, we search happiness in movies, drinks, sex, gamble, gossip, friends, temples, satsang, driving, traveling, etc., etc. Whereas the happiness is within us, and this happiness stays within us if we have following disciplines or qualities in our daily routine. If these qualities are there, the man is always motivated. First quality is see yourself. The person gets a sound sleep and do regular exercise. Second thing is he is able to pass his bowel or toilet without the help of a drug or any external instrument. Then he is healthy. Third is if no pimples or marks are appearing on your skin, because pimple and marks appearing on your skin are indicators that there is something wrong going inside you. And when some illness is there, you will never get motivated, you will never be happy. And when you are not happy, how you will lead a better lifestyle? Then it is check yourself that you don't get pain in your any parts of the body. Because if the pain is there, that means some disorder is or disorganization is there, and it is developing, and it will take your pleasure away. It will take your thoughts into the pain and will make you irritated. So an irritated man, how can can get a motivation, and how he can be happy? Then you check that if you are able to leave the bed early in the morning and fresh, you will be motivated, you will be happy in your life, and you will feel energetic throughout the day, and happiness will be there. And if one is lazy, see that if you are not lazy. If one is lazy, he will always postpone his things to the next moment, and this will take away the opportunity, and then finally what will happen? He will start getting irritated and blaming others for his failures. The last and the most positive thing is you must watch your thoughts, what your thoughts are. If your thoughts are positive, you will get motivation everywhere from most or everything in the life, and happiness will come, and you will lead a better lifestyle. But if our thoughts are negative, we will do negative things, and what will happen? We will suffer a lot. It's the same way. If your body is healthy, your mind will remain healthy. And if your body is having sickness, and if you have got some addiction to something or the other, it will put you into a bad shape. So before things arises in such a way that you lose your mental peace, or your body starts ruling you, or the thing starts ruling you, check yourself where and what is wrong with me and my body and my thoughts, where my mind is taking me. It's the same way. What we do is we hunt the happiness, we hunt for motivation outside. And when we hunt the happiness and motivation outside, it only gives us a sadness, a displeasure, and a failures. It's just like that. Friends, a deer who gets the smell of a musk which is in his body only, but he goes around the places to find out from where he is getting the smell. So you can find out yourself where and what is wrong and why it is wrong. The question is, why this happiness? Why we require happiness? Why we require motivation? And why we search happiness outside? Actually, this is nothing. It is an ego which has carved our mind with me, mine, our, liking, disliking, and degrading someone, or praising someone, or considering that oneself is the most important person I am, and the most intelligent person I am, clever, shrewd person, and thinking others are inferior in all circumstances. I have the best family, I have the best business, I have the best car, I have the best house, and everybody should go to me. When the person is in this mode, he will never be happy, can never get a motivation of success, and cannot lead a better lifestyle. he will be putting himself in a cage of gold bars whose bars are not, we are not able to see it. The first principle for such is to slow down the thought process, slow down the high thinking, and look around. They will find many people more richer, more intelligent, more beautiful, more skillful with the more luxurious cars around themselves. But by tying a band on their eyes and thinking that only I am the center of the attraction will not make them lead a good lifestyle. And by you have to admire the beauty, admire the people, admire the nature, then only you will be able to enjoy the life. Otherwise, what will happen? You will not enjoy the life, you will be always tired, you will feel tired. And try to smile, enjoy smile. Smile and see the smile in your partner's eyes also. And if you don't have a partner, see the smile in your family or friend's face. And be grateful to the nature. The day the God has given you. How is the day? Because your life actually is for the one day. It is from the sunrise to sunset, and in that period, that is a life period. And by the time you retire to the bed, the day is gone, your life is gone of that day. And you can see that how many years you have passed. But what we do is we count the years by life years, but we do not count the years of enjoyment. We are so many years old, but how many friends we got, how much happiness we got, how much, what is the type of life I have led? Is it with the full of sorrow, or little happiness and more of the sorrow? Remember the happy thoughts. You sleep with the happy thought, get up with the happy thought. The time which has gone will not come back. So remembering the odd things in your life of past will always keep you tracked to unhappiness and tied to the unhappiness, unsuccessfulness, and that things will not solve because you can't reverse the time. Only thing is, it is like that. You must have seen, you must have heard the dead bodies float on the river or in the sea. But the live man who is alive, he gets drowned. Why? Have you ever thought of it? Because dead body does not do a struggle. It let the wave take its own way, where he flows with the current. Whereas the live man starts struggling and then he drowns. This is what happens with us in real life. We start struggling with our past life, we start struggling with our unplayers, and we want to make those things which are not in our favor, we try to put them in our favor so that we feel happy about it. We are successful. When those who do this, they will never get motivation. They will be away from the success. Try to float with the time. Whatever the time is, however the things are, float with the time. Do not try to stop the current of the water because time has always changed. When you were young, there was a different time which you were flowing. Now when you have grown old, there is a different time. The current may be against you of the younger generation. So don't try to hold that current, because that current, you won't be able to hold it. It will be too strong. So along with the time, you adjust along with your time, along with the circumstances, and pass your day, every day happily. You will find yourself always in a good mood, free of the diseased, free of everything. Your things will start settling in your life in a better way, and you will start leading a better social and successful life, and you will be getting motivated, and you will be passing your motivation to the others. Well, friends, you think on this, and tomorrow, if God permits, I'll be there with some new motivations and new suggestions, and you can change, which will help you to change if something of your lifestyle for happiness, for a better living. So friends, I take leave of you. Goodbye, good day, Jai Sri Krishna.